Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Dollar Tree haul to share with you and I hope that you will join me. This week I picked up some ribbon. Look at this. Light blue and in 3 different sizes. It is by Yama Ribbon and I'm thinking that Mega is probably the collection. So I found it in the 3/8 by 75 feet. And then this one is 5/8 inch by 75 feet. And then this one is 1.5 inch by 30 feet. That's a nice amount of ribbon for $1.25. I'm quite happy with this. So I got one each. And next I picked up some yarn. I picked up this one. This is by Premier Just Yarn. It's worsted. But it's called Meadow. It's like a pale sage color. I like it. And then this one is like a really soft brown. It's a little darker than a beige. It's somewhere in between that color there. And it doesn't say on the label what color it is, but it is made in Turkey. And then this one, I believe these are made in, it's also made in Turkey. I didn't know that. There's Premier Yarns. Okay, so I'm thinking they're all part of the same collection. They just put the Crafter Square label on these two. And then this is like a lilac color. Look at that. I love all the colors. Really nice. I picked up one each. And then I picked up this sandwich bag. I accidentally bought the wrong one. I wanted the one that has the locking, you know, the little locking device on top. I accidentally bought the fold over. But if you want the fold over one, you know, back to school season is coming up, and you get 125 bags in this box. And then I picked up this vase. I picked up another one because I need them for Halloween. And it does have that crackle finish on there. Look at that. I like these. I'm quite happy I found another one. So I'm going to add this to my collection for Halloween. Next, I picked up some candles. This is the first time I've seen these at my store, so I went ahead and picked them up. I picked up 2 of these lilac colors, and they are called Floral Dress. That's the name of the scent. So I picked up 2 of the Floral Dress, and they're very fragrant. If you see it, pick one up. And then I pick up this one. This is like a light blue one. And this is Spring Rain. And then the pink one, it is Pink Bouquet. I only saw these 3 colors. I feel like there should be a 4th color. Yeah, my store only had these 3, so I picked these up just because they smell really good. Let me move those aside. Next, I picked up some of the new Harvest floral they have. And this is what the label looks like. It just says Floral Garden. And this is the verbatim. And I picked up 3 of them. Look at that. How delicate those flowers look like. Adorable. And it's like, it has an ombre shade from light to dark. I picked up 3 of these. And I did pick up some books. I picked up this adult coloring book. It is Hello Winter. And it's by Bendon. And look at that. I want to scan this into my computer and then resize them for my scrapbooking. So this is what they look like. Some cute ornaments. I like that fox. So cute. You get some penguins, a lot of snowflakes. So this is the reason why I bought it, for all the clothing pieces. More snowflakes. And then this one is a log house in the winter snow. And then this one also, I like this one. All the different style socks. So I'm quite happy I found that. And then I also picked up a couple of books. I picked up this one. This says Folded Wisdom, Notes from Dad on Life, Love, and Growing Up by Joanna Guest. Let's see if I can read the price through here. No. I am not quite positive how much it was. And the label doesn't want to come off. But it's by Celadon Books. I like this one, and I picked it up because I would like to use this for scrapbooking. Because look at this. It has a lot of letters from Dad. See there? Just a lot of them, and they have drawings on the letters themselves. How cute, right? Adorable. So if you're doing like making a card for Dad, or you can add this as a background in your card if you want. Or you can just cut out like this piece and, Dad reading to baby or whatever in a scrapbooking. Really cute. Quite happy with this one. And then I can use the book also for journal making. I also picked up this one. This is Clockwork Futures by Brandy Scholes, or Scholes. This is the science of steampunk and the reinvention of the modern world. I want to read this book, but I also, after I'm done reading it, I want to use this as a decor piece for my home. But look at these pictures right in the center. You can take those out and reuse those in scrapbooking. You can scan and copy and resize whatever you need to do. Look at that. This would be good for Halloween. Something to do with Frankenstein, right? And look at that. So yeah, I was looking at of course I'm going to take the cover off, but look at this. How nice does that look, right? It's got the gold writing on a black book. It looks really nice. And I do plan to make a stack books out of these. So I picked up one and put that back on. And then I picked up 2 of these storage containers. And this is the clear gray one. I want the clear one, but it's taken forever for my stores to restock it. So I figure I can use the gray ones. It'll work just fine. And I picked up 2 of these. And let me move these aside. I also picked up 2 of these USB card chargers. I picked it up in the orange and the green. Oh, I need a second plug in my car, so I decided to get one of these and just leave it in the, glove box or armrest or something. That way I have it when I need it. I'm glad I can still find these at Dollar Tree. And then I picked up a couple of clearance items. Let's see. I picked up this floral foam, and it was 50 cents. So some of the stores are selling these damaged items at 75 cents, and then some of the stores are still doing 50 cents. So it's not too bad. Look at that. Just a few poke holes, but I always tear this up anyway, so it's not going to really matter. So I'm glad I found that at 50 cents. And then I also picked this up. This was also 50 cents. And then this is that diamond wrap. And it is adhesive. Look at this. So if you need to cut this, it's better to cut it on paper. Less stickiness away with the scissors. And then it has the ombre colors on there. So it's got the gold, the red, the silver, the green, and then back to gold. So I'm quite happy with that. I picked it up because it was 50 cents, and I will find a use for that. This is my Dollar Tree haul for the week. I'm happy with the new items I found and the new stuff that I found. Just quite happy with all around. Yeah, Dollar Tree does have like a lot of new books. I'm really happy with the new selections they have. If you have teenagers that love reading, there are a lot of young reader books. Really cute. And then of course our Dollar Trees have put out all, or probably most of their harvest floral now. So take a look at all the new colors that they have for the harvest season coming up. I have yet to see any new Halloween decor items or harvest items, so I'm hopeful that that will be coming soon. I hope that you guys find everything you have on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.